Hi, this is David from Smartworld. We're here on a Kia Sorento 2023, and yeah, this car doesn't have wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You need always to plug into the USB port. But we're going to show you a great solution with more features that only wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. This is the CPAA video wireless adapter from Smartworld. This is a great solution. It's a 4-in-1 solution, so we'll give you wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Netflix, YouTube, mirroring, and also you will be able to play videos on USB from the USB port on the back. You just put a USB stick and that's it. So we'll show you how easy it is to connect. The plug and play really is just put it on the USB port of your car. You can leave it there. Doesn't take too much space, and in a matter of seconds your car is gonna recognize it and it's gonna connect with your mobile phone. In this case, gonna connect with wireless CarPlay in seconds. So it's gonna show you first the Smartworld screen, and then it's gonna take you to the main screen, which has Netflix, YouTube. But of course, we set up this car to automatically connect with wireless CarPlay, so the car is gonna do that, or the device is gonna do that. It's gonna automatically connect with wireless CarPlay in seconds. So it's doing that now. It's connecting with the mobile phone, and so you don't have to do anything. Pretty much you jump into your car and it will automatically connect, and you're gonna have available all the different features for wireless CarPlay. No need to plug in your phone, so it's easy to use. And of course, if you want to use the other features like Netflix, YouTube, you just simply exit from here and you are back into the main menu of this car, the device. And if you want to use your car settings, you just press on car. So as simple as that. You want to go back to the device, press on Apple CarPlay, and then if you want to use wireless CarPlay, just here. So I'm gonna show you wireless Android Auto as well, and also the Netflix and YouTube settings. Now we have connected with wireless Android Auto with our Samsung device. So it's now all connected. It's gonna connect automatically every time you jump into the car with your wireless Android Auto. Now it's here with all the apps available for you to use. Very simple to use. Now we have wireless Android Auto with the CPAA video adapter. Let me show you now how the rest of the functions work. So sorry, I'm just gonna exit from wireless Android Auto. I'm gonna show you Netflix and YouTube. But now the next part, which is Netflix and YouTube, very simple to set up. You just turn on hotspot on your mobile phone, and then you go into the settings and then network and internet, and connect with your hotspot on your mobile phone. Put the username and password. Now it's connected with my iPhone, and then once connected, you just simply go to Netflix and start watching your favorite video. So simple to use. As you can see, the speed is really good. Just gonna play this movie that is there, and in seconds you're gonna start watching the video and also listening the music through the car speakers. So so the quality is really good. Probably this car hasn't been cleaned the screen a little bit properly. That's the problem, but as you can see, it's quite good. I'm just gonna move forward the video. So as simple as that. And I'm just gonna show you now YouTube. So I'm gonna exit from here. I'm just gonna show you YouTube. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there we go. So YouTube is here. And of course you can make things bigger.
She's one of the greatest sopranos of our time, who passionately embodies all.
So that is YouTube, and plus you have mirroring, so you can mirror your phone with iPhone and Android. So just go and select what device you have, and it will give you instructions how to mirror your phone to mirror some of the apps you have available. So, and finally, as I said before, you have a USB stick with videos. You can put it in there and go into videos or file browser, and you can see the videos on the USB stick that you put in there and watch it directly on your car. So all those things available on the CPAA video adapter from Smartworld. And if you want to find more solutions for your Kia, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.